what's up, you guys? Happy 4th of July. I'm going to upload this video tonight or Sunday. I don't know. Should I do it tonight or Sunday? I don't know, because I'm trying to keep consistent with the algorithm. Yeah, I'm following all that stuff that anybody else will follow for their YouTube if they just started a YouTube channel too. Really trying to do the best I can. So other than that, happy 4th of July, like I said. We are going to be doing a barbecue today, having a few friends and family like that. And other than that, here are the fireworks. I went to Indiana and got them. I just did laundry too. That's my girlfriend's clothes. But went to Indiana and got them. Maximum Insanity. I said, man, when I got there, I said, what is the biggest I bang for my buck I can get? I want the biggest fireworks. So he said Maximum Insanity. My first time buying fireworks, so we gonna see. We gonna see. I got the black cat right here too, and I got this thing called Mental Case 9 shots. Supposed to be real loud. He said that Devil's Dynamite, that's their own custom brand that they get made and everything in China, so I hope it pops off really big. And I also got these firecrackers, because you could never go wrong with firecrackers, man. I got 2 packs. I wanted to buy more, but guess how much I spent on this? Put in the pause the video, put in the comments below on how much I spent on this, and then come back. I'm about to tell you now. I spent 400 bucks on this. Like, you probably like, what? Yeah, I just got like 400 bucks of fireworks. It was my first time, so I went all out. My girlfriend brought the Sprite, so that's not a firework. Just kidding around. But like I was saying, yeah, it's my first time. I'm super excited. I wanted to do something cool, like do donuts and burnouts around the fireworks going off, but my Mustang caught like a flat tire. Man, I think I gotta get the rims replaced or something, because this is my second time replacing both front tires. It better not be my neighbor letting out my tires, for real. If I find out something like that, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be like, Maximum Insanity, man, for real. But because I'm gonna let the air out his charger, but but no, I'm just playing. I don't think that's my neighbor, but you never know, man. Dude, every time it's like, I don't know. Guy's been he's kind of an asshole dude, and we park right next to each other. But yeah, like I was saying, we're gonna get that done. You're gonna see the barbecue. Us having a little good time, and yeah, we're gonna get some fireworks going off around 9 o'clock tonight. So stay tuned. Waiting, they got me here waiting for them so nobody take our food. I don't think nobody gonna take our buns, but them ballpark. These is the best buns to buy when you barbecuing. Okay, I mean, they're good, don't get me wrong, but they can get better. But I ain't rich like that, so I'm not gonna buy like a whole bunch of brioche buns or homemade buns that cost like 10 bucks per pack that I seen at the store. I'll say that for myself, me and my girl, But these are good. I used to eat these growing up as a kid, so there's nothing wrong with them. But nose itching, man. If you got allergies, man, just put a like there. Put a like if you got allergies. But other than that, yeah, I grew up eating ballpark buns and ballpark hot dogs, so nothing wrong with them. But if you can go above average, why not? Sometimes if you can afford it, in the budget, folks, in the budget. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. They setting them off.
That one sounds like
I know.
Let's
send it right back.
Is it my turn?
Yeah, I went. Yeah.
Cat black, y'all. Right? Oh shit. It's falling. Oh. Damn. No, it's not. Let's go. Next one. Next one, buddy. Here I go. Oh shit, back up. Oh shit. I'm doing
That was good. That was,
I've been doing it the whole time, nigga. You look, go back on there. I swear to God.
Yeah.
You will catch me, bro.
I'm gonna go, cause I'm about to upload this in a couple hours. I'm about to start working on it.
Bro,
this is my